On request of many of the viewers, I would like to submit that yes, just in about half an hour's time, you should see a sudden and a sharp fall in Nifty. This fall can continue for about half an hour easily. Now, before this fall happens, it's a sudden and a sharp one. You may also see a sudden rise of around 20-30 points. So, let's say this fall happens at which I estimate around between 11:45 and 12. Just a little before that, you may see a sudden sharp spurt as well, which may go to mislead people. Now, what happens is, many viewers, they're not patient. They're not following exactly what I'm trying to say, and they're not able to follow. Then what happens 15 minutes before the time that I mentioned? They see a sudden spurt, and then they write to me that, now the Nifty is rising. You said it's falling. I mean, just stay calm. I'm not saying I have a monopoly over wisdom. I've kept on saying with all humility, I give my predictions. This is to help you guys. If it helps you in any form, excellent. And if it doesn't, then this is what best I can. At least I have the the guts, I would say, to come out with tell me one person who can do any such thing. It's difficult, and if you like it, you like it. If you don't, that's fine. It's perfectly fine. There are people who can't even predict about 1 hour, 2 hours down the road. They're giving you full weeks predictions in advance. How I can give you Thursday, what will happen on that afternoon, 12 o'clock? It's tough. It requires a lot of analysis and calculations. I wish I could see some words of appreciation from you guys. People should be thankful. So, I do see this is to the best of my knowledge and belief, and you can do your own calculations and analysis also before investing. But I believe there could be a sudden dip, so I thought I should caution you guys. A lot of you guys have positions, and they get very scared when they see sudden and a sharp fall. If it doesn't happen, good for you guys. So it depends on what you're holding, what your positions are. You have not discussed with me. If you would like to discuss, then you have to be a part of the Art of Investing program. You have to WhatsApp me, call me, whatever, on 982-086-1044. Then I can discuss your individual stocks. Otherwise, I don't know what exactly you guys are doing. But I'm just explaining this is the general texture of the market. Now, if you look at certain things like, these are the realty companies, right? They have a lot of office spaces on lease, on rent, and so on and so forth. Now, they come and they say that, we are continuing to receive rents from the people. At the same time, their output is lower, the demand is much less. Which means that their gross revenues are coming down. At the same time, their rent and other fixed expenses are continuing. So, you can imagine that the net margins of companies are going to be squeezed very much down the road. You have to be very cautious. Airlines have not flying. Yet you have Indigo Airlines and all the stocks spurting up and people enjoying and making a heyday. One has to have some common sense that, this is something which is not correct. Something is not right. In any event, very short term, I still feel your sudden and a sharp downfall is expected. If I say it with all humility, and I know there are competitors around me. That's perfectly the way. There are a lot of people who are subscribed to my channel and they take my views and then they put their own views. That's fine. It's a part of the game. That's perfectly fine. I do my best. My analysis is completely independent of others, and I'm doing my best to whatever. I do it on the basis of scientific analysis, which is fundas, technicals, thousands of things which we are trying to put together. But again, with all humility, do your own analysis as well. Happy investing. And this forecast was for today, August 14, 2020. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.